Thank you for accepting the whole me, whether it's good or bad. Thank you for dealing with my tantrums and mood swings. I know sometimes I'm being too overreactive, but you still stick on my side. You never judge me with my past. You always make me feel secure despite my imperfections.
The Lord has constantly called Orland and Regen to answer His call to the sacrament of matrimony. I am thankful to Regen and Orland for testifying to the whole world that to love without the Lord's blessing is in vain.
How do you really measure the years?
The moment I saw her,
By the
I knew exactly that she will be the one, the God-given gift. She's one of the reasons why I perform things professionally. She makes me feel that I am Superman.
Hold me close, never let go. Beating hearts and they echo. This love is endless. This love is endless.
Orland, do you take Regen here present for your lawful wife according to the right of the Holy Mother the Church?
I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
I do, Father.
To the person who accepted my dark side, thank you so much for being there, for always believing in me. I couldn't thank you enough for understanding and for being so patient. I am definitely not perfect, but I'll do my best to equate the love you're giving.
Who my love will stretch the earth to show you what
Regen,
your heart
you take
is worth.
Orland here present for your lawful husband according to the right of the Holy Mother the Church.
I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
I do.
This love is endless. This love is endless. This love is endless. This love is, my love is
We have a lot of struggle and trials in life. All my life, I have always been a very spiritual person, and I truly believe that everything happens for a reason. So I have never thought that meeting you was ever a coincidence. You are my rock, and I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life being yours officially. I'm so blessed to find my lifetime happiness in you.